Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my another new video. আপনারা দেখছেন স্যাম ইনফো 24 এবং আমি নিলয় আছি আপনাদের সাথে। গাইজ আজকে নতুন একটা ভিডিও নিয়ে হাজির হয়েছি যা কিনা অ্যাজ ইউজুয়াল ইন্স্যুরেন্সের উপরে। তো আজকে আসলে আলোচনা করব হোম ইন্স্যুরেন্স নিয়ে। হোম ইন্স্যুরেন্সটা আপনারা কীভাবে পেতে পারেন, এটা আপনার বেনিফিটেড কীভাবে হতে পারেন, কীভাবে কোন কোম্পানি দিয়ে থাকে, ইন্স্যুরেন্সের পলিসিগুলো কী কী। তো এইসব জিনিস নিয়ে আজকে আলোচনা যাব। তো আলোচনা শুরু করার আগে একটা ইনফরমেশন আপনাদের সাথে শেয়ার করে নিই যে আমি যে বেস ইনফরমেশন বা ভিডিওগুলো মেক করছি, যে ইনফরমেশন আপনাদের দিচ্ছি সেগুলো হচ্ছে ওয়েবসাইট বেস, আর এগুলো মূলত কানাডা বেস ওয়েবসাইট। তো বেসিক্যালি আমি যে ইন্স্যুরেন্সের যে রুলসগুলো পাবেন আমার এই ভিডিওর মাধ্যমে, সেগুলো হচ্ছে কানাডা বেসের। তো আসলে কানাডাতে যারা থাকে তাদের জন্য হয়তো বা কিছুটা হলেও উপকার আসবে, যে কারণে ভিডিও মেক করা। তো গাইজ, যারা এর আগে আমার ভিডিওগুলো দেখেছেন, সাবস্ক্রাইব করেছেন, তাদেরকে অসংখ্য অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। নতুন যারা আমার ভিডিওটি দেখছেন তারা অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবেন, পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি প্রেস করে দেবেন। তো গাইজ, চলুন আর দেরি না করে শুরু করা যাক আজকের টপিক, হোম ইন্স্যুরেন্স। Introduce you to home insurance. A house is often a single largest financial investment you can make without insurance. You must valuable asset invaluable to fire, death, and other disaster. Home insurance can help you pay for big insurance you could not afford after a disaster. For example, replacing your home and all your professions after a fire. It also includes additional living expense in the event that you are temporarily unable to live in your home due to an insured loss. Unlike car insurance, home insurance is not mandatory by law. However, most banks and mortgage holders will insist that you purchase and show proof of home insurance before they will lend to your money by home. Buying home insurance. Home insurance is more than just a policy guardians against fire, that health or windows. It is a representative peace of mind because covers may vary from our insured to the next. It is important to select a policy suits in your specific needs. Here are some of the things to consider. Who is insured? Home insurance covers the property concerned in the personal liability for and the policyholder, your supposed partner, and the other your children. Age limited depends under the age to 18, depends under the age of 21, or who are student either living in the thousand of temporarily living away from the insecure principal resident. Who can sell you insurance? Insurance broker who deal with a number of companies and try to find the best coverage. Insurance agents who sell insurance for a single company. Do you qualify for the discount? Home with mandatory smoke details and the instructor alarms, memberships, and employment with particular organization. Loyalty, multi-lines discount the existing insecure clients, people who have never had the insurance claim, senior citizen, newer homes. Coverage. What is property coverage? Regardless of the weather of your own rent your home, you could be held liable for any bodily injury or property damage unilaterally caused by to the others. The personal liability portion of your home insurance provides covers in the event that is happens on your property or anywhere else in the world. For example, if a visitor slipped and was injured on a snow-covered walkway on your property, you may be held legally possible. If you were found legend, the personal liability promotion of your home insurance policy would cover damages resulting from the injury up to the coverage limit. No doubts would apply. Liability coverage does not apply or injuries sustained by you or member of your household. Personal property. No use stuff to find out how much insurance you will need. Create an inventory of all your possessions, nothing to expose the replacement value of each item, along with makes, models, and serial number and others identify marks. Draw up a list of items in each room and update it regularly. Photographing or videotaping your belongings is also helpful. A smartphone or tablet could be useful to keeping a list of collection books, tools, stamps, etc. Be sure to store your inventory records and um, safety per deposit box and other source location. What is covered? While home insurance covers personal belongs such as the appliance, specific example of the item subject of the coverage limited. Computers and computer software, Microsoft, jewelry, garments, watch, cash, negative security cash cards, furs, fine arts, bicycles, sport equipment, coin, stamp, and the card collection. What is not covered? Your business equipment is covered only while your home, typically up to the specific limit. There is no coverage for the sample and merchandise for sale. If you plan to be away from your residence for an extended period, speak to your insurance representative about any actions you need to take during your absence, particularly during the winter month. While pitches may freeze, insurance cover on your home and its content may cause automatically if your home becomes vacant without your notification to your insurance representative. Damage to your own law is not covered, although some insurance may offer extended coverage. The personal property of people who live with you but are not related to you unless directly legal depends is also excluded from your policy. For more information, speak with your insurance representative. Work from home. Home insurance is not a business insurance. It is not disaster and the equivalent to meet the specific needs of self-employment individual who work from home. You are obliged to notify your home insurance representative of your home-based business. Failure to do so can compromise your home insurance. Be sure that let your insurance representative know if you store business materials also or equipments at home. To ensure you have to write covers of your professional activities. Some injuries may include home-based business covers within the insurance policy. Be sure to stop around from the policy based suite your needs. The dwelling you know your home. If you own your home, uh, if you own your home insurance policy will cover by the building content and outbuilding stores the property with some limitations for insurance purpose. The amount required corresponds to what it would cost to replace your home in within the complementary disaster. The replacement value of your home affects its insurance value, which will differ from the market value. Multiple tax assignment value to determine your home's replacement value. In your insurance representative will need to know some of the following information about your home: year of the it is built, total square footage, use, style, number of storage, foundation type, finishing basement, explore what well-finished material types, number of kitchens and quality and finish, number of bathrooms, roof materials, garage character, special assess. Prefill. What is prefill? A prefill is the change of event that the unexpected and the essential. For example, if a garage door is spray paint with graffiti, it must be clear the damage is due to the peril of vandalism, the gradual deterioration of the signal routing, the routing of the wonder finishing the natural expected and therefore is not to the insecure apply at a home insurance policy is not the maintenance contact. The list below applies to coverage for the building and its contact insured policy. Aircraft's vehicles impact, electrical current exploding, failing, object fire on lighting, roll, smoke, theft, injection. Venezuela and the Meuse water damage expels the water from the indoor plumbing, heating, snacking in the cording system of your own indoor and outdoor domestic water content in your permissions. While for unsecured pills, different type of policy. Special compromise comprehensive once your home's replacement value has been assigned to you must decide on the type of the policy you need. Here are some of the various policy types. A special comprehensive policy cover with both the dwelling and the contents for all risks, direct physical loss and damage is expected. Those specifically excluded. Check your policy to make sure the extra understand what is excluded. A border from policy ensures for our dwelling for all the risks of direct physical loss or damages unless the loss of the specific excluded from the policy. It is ensured the content only for fields specific name in the policy. A standard basic and name fields policy ensure your dwelling and content only for the fields specifically named in the policy subjects to some exclusion. Check your policy to make sure you understand what is excluded. A non-profit fields policy offers very best covers for properties that could not meet the normal underwriting standards. This policy typically do not offer the extension of coverage found to the most home insurance policy. Settlement terms and conditions. Personal content following insecure loss. Your insecure will inform you and compensate you to the damage or loss item based on their actual cash value, taking into account depreciation's age and the wear and tear. For example, a 5-year-old store purchase for 1,700 may only net $300 by today's standard. Today is a drilling. It is important to insure your home to the limit equal to the what it will cost to rebuild. It is using materials the same quality is the event of the destroy is almost called the replacement value and different from the market value and takes assignment value on your home. An accurate estimate of your home's replacement value is essential to making sure you have enough coverage in the event your home is totally destroyed. Since there are many factors involved, your insurance representative will work with you establish your home's replacement value. Many policies also included guaranteed replacement cost coverage for your insurance. This means your built dwelling is covered for the full replacement value regardless of the amount of the injury of the policy. Talk to your insurance representative for the further details. Your premium, your a number of factors help the determine the প্রিমিয়াম কনস্ট্যান্স, লস এক্সপিরিয়েন্স পলিসি। তো গাইজ এই হচ্ছে আপনার হোম ইন্স্যুরেন্সের পেমেন্ট অপশন টপশন যা আছে সব কিছু আজকে আলোচনা করলাম। তো গাইজ আশা করছি ভিডিওটি আপনারা শেষ পর্যন্ত দেখবেন, এবং যারা এর আগে আমার ভিডিও দেখেছেন সাবস্ক্রাইব করেছেন তাদেরকে অসংখ্য অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। যারা নতুন আমার ভিডিওটি দেখছেন তারা অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিবেন, পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি প্রেস করে দিবেন পরবর্তী নোটিফিকেশন পাওয়ার জন্য। তো গাইজ নেক্সট ভিডিও আপলোড হওয়ার আগ পর্যন্ত সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন, আবারও দেখা হবে। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।